how to turn on or off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Venu 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Venu 2. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So there's a couple of reasons you may want to disable the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Venu 2. One might be just for battery life, or you're just not using that data, or maybe you want to turn it on because it's not working or it was turned off somehow. So to get started with turning on or off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Venu 2, the first thing we need to do is open the menu. We do that by holding down the bottom right button just for a second or two, and then just scroll down and select the gear for settings. Once in settings, scroll down and select wrist heart rate. And then the status at the top, if we turn that off, that will disable the heart rate monitor and also several other features on your watch. So just go ahead and select that, and now you have disabled the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Venu 2. Now, if you go in here and the status is off and you want to turn it on, just select that, and then that will turn on the heart rate monitor on your Venu 2. Now in here, we also have some other settings for abnormal heart rate alerts. So if you go in there, you can set up your alerts if you want to be alerted by that. And this is where it will alert you if your heart rate goes too high or too low while you're resting. Additionally, we can go in here and you can turn off pulse ox, things like that. All right, so that's how you turn on or off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Venu 2. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Venu 2 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.